In today's video, I'm going to teach you email for Trello, how to turn Trello into a shared inbox, 5 minutes. We're going to turn a regular Trello board into a shared inbox using the Email for Trello Power-Up by SendBoard. This lets your team receive, organize, and reply to emails without leaving Trello so everyone can see context and progress in one place. Start by logging into Trello and opening the board you want to use as your inbox. If you're unsure which board to pick, choose one that your support or operations team already uses, or create a dedicated board so email work stays clearly separated. Once your board is open, head to Power-Ups and choose Add Power-Ups. In the search bar, type SendBoard. Then select Email for Trello by SendBoard. Click Add to add it to your board. After it's added, open the Power-Ups settings. Choose Edit Power-Up settings to configure it for this specific board. You'll be prompted to set up the mailbox. This process generates a unique email address tied to your board. Any message sent to this address will automatically create a new Trello card, making it easy to triage and collaborate. Within the settings, copy the unique email address so you can share it with your team or set up forwarding from an existing mailbox later. While you're in the settings, choose the default Trello list where new cards should be created. For example, you might pick an inbox or new list. This helps incoming messages land in a consistent place so your workflow stays organized. You can always move cards along your pipeline as you work. From here, you can use SendBoard on your cards to view email threads, reply directly from Trello, and keep the conversation history alongside checklists, due dates, and assignees. A quick tip: add labels for priorities, use due dates for response targets, and assign owners so nothing gets missed. Because replies happen in Trello, your team can see updates in real time without digging through personal inboxes. Finally, share that unique email address with your team. Have them forward or send messages to it, and let external contacts email it directly if that fits your process. Each incoming email becomes a new card in your chosen list, ready to be picked up, discussed, and resolved. That's it. You've added email for Trello, configured the mailbox, chosen where new cards go, and set your board up as a shared inbox. If you found this helpful, try it on a test board first, then roll it out to your team. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.